So I have just changed the glass of this phone. Now the problem is that this proximity sensor isn't working. In order to fix that, I'm just going to show you that is not working. When I cover it, it should turn green. As you can see, nothing happens, and here at the proximity sensor this should turn to 1, I think. We will see this after we fix it. So as you can see, it isn't working. So let's turn off the phone and fix this. Now take out the battery, take out any SIM card or memory card if you have inserted one. Now what you want to do is unscrew all the back screws. Now if your sensor worked before, that means that your glass is a little bit bad, so to say, but we will fix that very easy. So after you got all the screws away from the phone, take the S Pen out, and now you should be able to remove this black plastic piece, and here is where we want to look at, because this is the sensor. So let's take a knife or a tweezer, whatever, and try to take this metal piece that's holding it out. If we can, then oh, there we go, it's out. If you can take it out, then you must take the entire motherboard, but you don't, as you can see. Disconnect it and take it out. So this is a sensor. Now the problem is that these two holes over here are too dark, so what you want to do is take a tweezer and rub off this paint. Try to do it very circular so you maintain the circle form, because you don't want it to look bad. This is how you want it to look like. As you can see, it's not so dark as this one, so let's make the other one the same. Now this method should work like a charm. If not, that means that maybe your sensor or your motherboard has a problem, and you will first have to remove the sensor and replace it with a new one. And when I say the sensor, I mean this whole flex cable with the sensor and the camera. So this looks good enough for me. Now let's test it out, see if it's working. I'll just put the battery and turn it on. I'll also put the, oh fuck, my battery gone out, so I'll also put the metal holding plate back. So I have put this metal holding plate back, put the battery on and power it on. So as you can see, it is still not working. Oh, there we go. I thought my sensor is bad, but it was just not into its place. So now as you can see, when I put here my finger, it turns green and the proximity value turns to 1, and when I remove it, it goes white. I would have to clean it a bit more because it's not clean enough, that's why I have this problem, but when I hold it you can see that it's working properly. So this is what you gotta do, just clean up that mess over there, that paint, and then just put back your plastic cover, put back your screws, and that's it. So thanks for watching and please subscribe.